Hey YouTube, today I want to do an unboxing of this Polisher Sander Earthquake XT. I purchased this at Harbor Freight. The reason I purchased this was because I needed something more compact, small, to get into these tighter areas where I can't get to them, to like sand it to bare metal. This one's a sander, it's a Polisher Sander, so two reasons you could use it for two different things. I noticed that after I bought it, I'm like, oh, this could be good to polish up your like headlights or small areas on your car. So we're gonna open this. Oh, actually, let's see what it comes with. So this is called the Earthquake XT. That's the model number right there. Here, let me show it to you guys. All right, let's see what it comes with. It's this little small guy right there. It says dual speed settings, 0 to 2800 for polishing, or speeds 0 to 76,000 RPMs for the sanding. To variable speed, precision control, compact head design, for maneuverability in tight areas. That's what I got it for the tight areas. Reinforced aluminum housing for impact durability, slim, lightweight body and non-slip grip for comfort and less fatigue. I guess like fatigue for your wrist, stuff for carrying it. Okay, this package, this is a 12 volt, it comes with 12 volt lithium. So it's a body, you can use for body or general mechanic stuff. Let's see right here. Already read that. Tool weight is about 1.55 pounds, so it shouldn't be too heavy. And it's a lithium, I think it said right here, lithium battery, 12 volts, it must be 2 amps. And then the pad is a 3-inch diameter pad. Let's see what it's coming with here. Package contains one 12 volt battery pack, a 12 volt, so it does come with a charger, and a carry case, which is this one, I guess, the hard case that comes with it. A 3-inch black finishing foam pad, so it comes with a foam pad. 3-inch yellow cutting compound foam pad, and 3-inch wool polishing pad. 1 2-inch twist lock pad, backing pad, and a 3-inch twist lock backing pad. Also, I guess 2 and a 3 locking pad. And 3-inch hook and loop backing pad. I don't know which one that is, but let's get to opening this thing. Let's see how it is. So far, I saw it over there at the store and it seemed pretty compact, and let's open it. Let's see. Let me see this. The packaging looks pretty nice. I don't see anything wrong with it, so let's open this thing. See what it consists of. So that's the box right there, the cover. And here's probably the case that they're talking about, this hard case. Let's open this so I can show you what it comes with. Let me scoot this a little bit closer. That way you guys could actually see what I'm taking out of, or what it comes with. Let's put it down a little bit. Let me see if I can pick this up a little bit higher. I don't think so. Alright. Well, let me do it this way. Let's open it. Alright. It looks pretty well packaged up here. Nothing fancy or anything, but looks pretty good. So here's the handle. Well, here's the instruction. Let's start with the instructions. That's the instructions to this polishing little sanding thing. So we'll put that aside here. And on this top side, it has this handle. So I guess you could use it on the side to grip it on the side. Let's see. I'll put that down right now. Okay. So here's it's like a Velcro style. Let me open it. Let me open it for you guys. So here it is. It's the Velcro. So I'm guessing this one's for the actual polishing, the polishing side of it. It's just a Velcro. Pretty good. It looks good. Okay, there's one. So there's this Velcro one. Let me scoot this back so you can see a little better. Okay. There's a Velcro one. Let me open this. This is the foam pad. I won't open this because I don't want to get it dirty or anything. So it's a Velcro. We just put this. There's a foam one. Here's the yellow one. I guess this one's softer. This one's a little bit harder. But they're both Velcro on the back. And then the polishing one. I think this is a polishing one. I'm not sure. And this is what I wanted to buy it for mostly. Is for these twisty ones. So it doesn't come, the only thing it comes with is those foaming and polishing ones, but it doesn't come with any sanding material. And then it has, that's the 3-inch, I think this is the 2-inch. Let me open it up here. Alright, let me move this aside. So here they are. It's just like a twisty one. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these twisty ones. And then here's the bigger one. I believe this is a 3-inch because it's a 3-inch, and the twisties, yeah, 2-inch and a 3-inch. And then the Velcro one. I got here, let me show you. So I could use it with this. I don't know if I showed you earlier what this is. This is a 3M bristle disc. You could take off gaskets and on any rough surfaces that you don't want to. It works good on aluminum. Let me show you. You just get this, twist it on this guy. Oh yeah, because it has like a little twisty on there. Twist it on there. Look at that. See? So that'll work for this if I want to get real hard on it. Or I think these are the 3-inch. I had some of these laying around. This is a disc one. It's also a twisty one. I don't know if you can see this, the little twisty little piece right here. You put it on here. There you go. Look at that. Now this will spin. We'll connect it on there. So there's two. So that's a 3, the 2 and the 3, and the Velcro one. The Velcro one's a 3-inch. So you want to know that. Okay. We got the charger, little charger. It's not, it's a small little charger, but it comes with a charger, so that's cool. Switch this around here, and here's the battery. The little 12-volt, 2-amp lithium battery pack. So that's the battery here. See if I could focus this a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, that's the battery, and here is the actual gun. Look how small that is. It's pretty tiny. I got some smaller stuff, but yeah. So we got the forward and the reverse side. Then I think this is, it probably tells you like the battery power. These little dots right here. Weird little. See if I can focus this. It's not letting me focus. Autofocus. Okay, let's see if it'll focus on here. It doesn't want to, but yeah. Oh, there you go. Let me spin it around a little bit. I guess that's where you can. Those where you connect the battery pack. Oh, here it has the. That's low setting, high setting, and the button's not like where you actually push it all the way in. It has like a little button in there, so you don't have to like a regular one like this. Show you the other one. Here's the other drill, the DeWalt one, where you actually have to push the actual thing. It's like a big switch. It's not like that one. It's more like a little button in there. Doesn't feel too bad. Oh yeah, let me show you this, the handle. See where it goes on here. So I guess you could put it on either side. Okay. I see. So it has, so you can put it on top. Let me see if you could put it up on top here. So you could either put it on this side, so when you're holding it, see, or if you're a left hand or right hand, you put it on this side. They just have these little caps on here. So try not to lose those caps if you don't. You just twist it on here. So when you're doing like little polishing stuff, where you actually need to control, look at that. It's nice. You don't need it. And if you don't need this, then just put it back. Put these little caps back on to keep those threads in there safe, or debris going in there. And let's see, put that. Wonder if this is another spot where you could actually put that top. Let me see if I can take it off. It's twisting this little top cap, but probably doesn't let you. Okay, well, let me put the battery in here. There you go. You go forward. Oh, actually, it has an LED light too right here. Let's push it forward. Yeah, it says how much battery it has, a battery level. So it seems to come already charged with this little drill. So let's put this guy on. Oh, so that's the low setting. Let's put it in the high. Oh, actually, that was a high setting. Oh, actually, the button. Oh, it's like a regular button. Sorry, my mistake. Let me see when you take out the battery. Huh. Ah, I see. When it's locked, it doesn't go all the way in there. Yeah, my mistake with the other one. It's still like a regular. Oh, sorry. Still like a regular drill type battery, or you could control it. Cool. So that's in the low setting. Hey, it goes pretty quick. Wonder if you I think you just have to turn this on. Looks like it has a bearing type style on here. Just turn this on. Oh, look at, there you go. Oh. Oh, I see what this button is. Let me see. Oh, there you go. The button locks down this button right here. So when you're trying to put this, maybe to remove it or tighten it down, push this button down. It locks it in. So you take this guy off. There you go. So it's just a lock it, so you could turn it and spin it and tighten it down there. See here, look there. There's the sanding one. See, it's pretty good. Yeah, because you don't need much. It's just for little surfaces. You're not gonna go real crazy on it. But yeah, it feels pretty nice. The grip fits in your hand pretty good. What do you guys think? Look at that. Leave it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this guy. Maybe you guys have some more experience with this, but I wasn't, when I went to the store, I wasn't like, oh, I'm gonna go buy this. This guy actually needed a disc pad for one of my big sanding. It's like it's a big sander, but I didn't find them there. Like one of these, but like it's pretty big, like I think like a 12-inch one. And then I saw this and I'm like, man, this thing looks pretty cool. So this cost me, I think it was on sale for $100. Well, it was on sale for $100, but I think it's like $139. I think I saw it on the magazine, but yeah. Sounds pretty sturdy. You could also get like a 2-year or a 1-year warranty on them, but they do come with 90-day warranty. And I'm like, I might drop it or something's gonna happen to the battery. So I just got the 1 year. It was for around $26 extra or $24. I'm not really sure. So yeah, can't wait to use it and see how it works, how durable it is, how long it's gonna last me. So yeah, if you guys have one of these Sanders Earthquake, guys, leave it in the comments. Let me know if you like it or if you don't like it, or what you like about it. So far, I don't got any negative things to say. It cost me $100, so it's not much for the little guy. All you have to buy is these discs, sanding discs. And it does come with a case. It does come with a handle. And these other ones, this foam one for the foam. So it's pretty well packaged. I don't see anything wrong with it. So yeah, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. If you have one, if you like it, if you don't like it, how long it lasts you. Yeah, let me know. I would like to know. Or what other tools I should get from Harbor Freight. Like I got this one, this tool cart, I do have a video up. I'll link it right here. I'll put it up there at the end of the video, so you guys can check that one out. This cart has worked really good, and I have no issues with it. My tools are really organized. Well, you know, they get messy. I need to organize it over and over again, but so far it works pretty good. I have no issues or no complaints about it. It's way better than how I used to have my stuff all over the place. So yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Try to get more tools. As I get more tools, I try to make more reviews as you could see them, and maybe around my other videos, when I'm doing the other videos actually using this tool, maybe I'll let you know what I like, what I don't like, and how good it works, how long it lasts. Oh, it doesn't say how long it lasts, but maybe it says in here. Well, we'll see how long it lasts. I don't know. It doesn't say anything about battery life or how long it lasts around here. Maybe there's other videos out there talk about this guy. Yeah, I see it right here. Yeah, it doesn't say how long it's gonna last. It just, I think, depends how much you use it, obviously. So yeah, well, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, like I said again earlier. Watch my other videos on this tool cart, how I assembled it, and pretty much I like it. I have no complaints about it. Alright, thank you. Peace out. I'll keep you posted on this guy, and yeah. Bye. Actually, peace out. Bye.